I locked the fridge, by the way.
Oh, Harry. Huh?
I locked the fridge.
Yes. It's huge.
Yep.
So, pardon me. We are leaving Tulsa. The sun came out today, so we decided that's a sign from Universal Source that we need to head towards Oklahoma City and then south to Dallas. Hopefully we'll get there before dark. That's the idea. And just be safe along the way.
Yeah. And go slow, too.
Part of safety.
Yeah.
Thank you. You are my co-pilot.
Yep.
Yep.
I'm your
I
co-pilot.
need you. I appreciate you.
Got you. I got you, bro.
You got me, Papa Joe.
Yep. Got you.
All right, you ready, Bree? You ready to go to Dallas, final destination? Huh? I-244.
That stupid door.
What door?
That door that keeps coming open.
Okay, we'll have to talk to Jeremy about how we might be able to fix that.
Yeah.
I can't answer the phone. Chloe can't call me while I'm driving, so you want to call her?
Yeah.